To back up your Windows PC to Google Drive, first of all, search for Google Drive, download and open this Google Drive link, and here click on Download Drive for Desktop. Now go to your File Explorer, come to Downloads folder, and here you will find Google Drive exe file. So we have to install Google Drive apps. Run the installer, click on Yes, and here install Google Drive. You can add an application shortcut to your desktop by checking this option. Then click on Install. And we can see the Google Drive successfully installed. Clicking on Launch. And at this time, make sure your PC is connected with internet connection. And here we can see safely store your files and folders in Google Drive, open Drive files with applications on your PC, automatically keep all your Drive files up to date. So click on Get Started. And now we have to sign in here using our Gmail or Google account. So click on Sign In, and you will be redirected to your browser. Just sign into your account. And here sync with Google Drive, so you can choose folders to sync from your computer to Google Drive automatically. You can check desktop, documents, downloads, and if you want to add another folder to automatically sync to your Google Drive, then click on Add Folder, and then you can just go ahead and browse the specific folder from here, and we can see the folder add date. Then go to Backup to Google Photos, and here you can back up your computer photos and videos to Google Photos automatically. Then click on C Drive Files in File Explorer, and then here you can select a folder where you want to browse all of your Google Drive files. Then click on Next and click on Open Drive, and here make sure you have successfully unpaused and your all files is now syncing in your Google Drive. So that's how you can actually automatically back up our computer all files to Google Drive. Thanks for watching.